The president asked the investigation to appear wrongly wrong. London. The Nigerian army said that at least 88 people accidentally killed at a military drone strike. The country's religious festival in Kaduna province. Authorities. On Sunday night in village Kaduna Tudun, civilians of Prophet Muhammad Maulid al-Nabanan celebrating birthday, a Muslim holiday, came together to observe, accidentally defined as a strike. Nigeria National Emergency Management Agency said in a statement, after 2 airstrikes, about 88 people were killed, but less than 68 people were subjected to various injuries. The victims of the army drones were treated in a hospital in Kaduna, Nigeria on Tuesday, December 5, 2023. Olach Ajayap. He points out that the wounded vary between children, women and the elderly. Said, the victims were in 4 different communities gathered in the village for religious celebration. An eyewitness to event explained events to BBC Hausa explained the plane left in space, destroyed and killed our people, including women, children. The second fell to some dead bodies of the victim's first explosion. We lost about 34 people in my family and we have 66 injured people in the hospital, said Nigeria Army Personnel Chief Lieutenant General Toraid Laga. Center. Other community leaders and the victims of army drones praying on graveside were buried on Tuesday, December 5, 2023 in Tudun Biri village, Nigeria. Kahine Gbengaap. The Nigerian Army troops wrong analyzed and misinterpreted in a statement explaining regret for the wronging. He said, the troops were running air patrols when they observed a group of people, and before the drone strike, they incorrectly analyzed and misinterpreted their activity models to resemble those of the bandits, said. The Nigerian army said that Tudun had invaded the communities with armed bandits that terrorized communities. On Tuesday, Nigeria's army chief paid a condolence visit to Tudun Biri, who was affected by the army's sincere regrets and unprotected apology to society. Dr. Kaduna State Governor, Jadiza Balabe. Wounded civilians were released to Barau Dikko Training Hospital, where they received the necessary medical intervention. Tuesday, December 5, 2023 Tuesday. One of Tudun village in Nigeria after an army drone attack after the remnants of a motorcycle lies on the ground. Kahine Gbengaap. Anger gathered in Nigeria. Some Nigerians question how the error could be on social media. The Nigerian army claims to kill civilians with airstrikes and then claim that it was a mistake? A user asked. It's hard to understand this. He wrote something else. In a statement published by Nigeria State House, President Bola Tinubu sent his condolences that described the event of victims in mishaps as very unfortunate, disturbing and painful. The president directs a comprehensive and full-fledged investigation and calls the authorities to be calm while looking at the mishaps, said. According